In this video, I want to really encourage you, all right, to make sure that you gain access to your university's library's databases, online access. So you need to be able to figure out, you know, all the links to click to get there. And if the material I provide for you here is not clear enough, just X out of everything, open up your university's library and start clicking and start investigating and start calling. Call IT and say, look, I'm in an online class. I need to get to these databases. I know my bill is current. I've paid my tuition. I'm registered, etc., etc. How do I get in? And then start the conversation there. See, now IT is the best way to help you. The information technologies. If you need that telephone, look at the front page, I believe, of the syllabus, or second page of the syllabus I have posted for the class, because you have to get access into there. Now, if for some reason it never happens, then I think you need to drive to a Tri-C campus or a Kent campus or a University of Akron campus or whatever campus you're in, of whatever school you're in, and you need to just get to if you can actually get to a computer on the physical campus. That computer is going to be recognized by the databases as being a paid subscriber. So you're going to be able to get in from that computer, okay? But if you're having trouble from your own personal computer, it's probably because the databases you're trying to ping into, your school doesn't own that database. Your school is paying a subscription to a company. Usually, it's a huge company. They can be huge companies, you know, EBSCO or Macmillan or Palgrave, or, you know, just ProQuest, you know, some large company. And what's happening is that company's computer server is not recognizing your computer as a paid subscriber. Okay, so you have to somehow you have to get your computer to give that server right information. And what you do with that is sometimes you can download a proxy program or an app that will it will have that information on it, okay, that number on it, so that, you know, let's say Riley and Sons or EBSCO, let's say EBSCO's database, when you try to get into one of these databases, it's going to check that data and it's going to see that string of numbers and it's going to say that is a Kent State computer, or that's a University of Akron computer, or that's a Tri-C computer, and then boom, in you go, because all of those universities are paying subscribers. So check if there is say like a virtual proxy network program, or just a proxy program. Use that terminology when you talk to the IT. Ask him, is there some sort of program I can download so that my computer is recognized by outside companies as a Kent State computer, or University of Akron computer, or Tri-C computer? You know, you pick your school, but yeah, you know, you got to try to figure this out. So please, a lot of good research is waiting for you. Material is waiting for you there in those databases, and I'm expecting you to go up the ladders. I'm starting with popular sources. We're going to go to the area between a little more sophisticated, a little more rigorous, and then eventually it's those professional databases that is, you know, the other end of the material, as far as rigor and you know, empiric investigation, scientific nature of it. You need to be able to get into those professional databases. So please get in touch with IT. If you're just, I know some of you are having trouble because I have had you try to find articles already through your database, the databases of your university. If you haven't been able to finish that assignment, I'm wondering if you're having troubles getting to those databases. And if you are, please consider it a thing that you do need to figure out. This is pretty important. So I would make a lot of effort to just get that done.